We're just having lunch here. That baby. And Daddy and the rest of the minions are there ordering the food.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, tell me, baby, how is your trip in Universal Studios? All the parks. Really good, right? Yeah. My coffee, baby.
Really good. I just don't like the fire rides.
Yeah.
There's rides where like they shoot out fire. But my favorite rides is probably the rides in Harry Potter.
That's your favorite because you get the Harry Potter costume.
Not only that, but it's really fun.
Yeah, she got the Harry Potter costume, guys. Just a costume. It's 100 plus. Actually,
A lot
it's 300. It's 300.
This alone.
Part of it, yeah.
This alone was 33.
Yeah. The whole costume she got for Harry Potter is $500. The whole costume she got.
I thought it was like 300 or 400.
No, 300. Just the gate that you
Oh,
got.
you mean the robe?
Yeah, the robe. Just the robe is 300. But you know.
No.
Yeah.
The robe was $140.
But you have this thing. A total was 500.
Yeah,
But she's so happy. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.